Hello, in this math challenge, we want to find the value of x and y. So let's look at this. You can see that in this left-hand side, we have the base to be common to 6. But here we have 1,260. So if you look at it holistically, it's a very simple problem. It's not difficult at all. You just have to take your time. How do we go about this? Now, definitely we need to find the factor of 1,260 for us to have a headway. So that means, let's say, 6 raised by x minus 6 raised by y. So factors of 1260, we can try by saying that let's do it like this: 1260, that's 1,260. You have 2 here, 6, 2 here, what, 30. Remain what, 2 here, 3, 2 here, 15. Okay, that is yes. What goes 2 cannot go again. Let's try 3. 3 here, 1. It remains what, 0 in, that's 5. Beautiful. 3 cannot go. Can 3 still go? Let's say yes, 3 can still go. We have what? 3 here, 3, 3 here, 5. 3 cannot go again. Okay, so let's find 5. We go 5 in, that's 7, and 7 in 1. Okay, so that means the factors of 1,260 will be 2 times 2, that is 4. 4 times 3, that is 12. 12 times 3, that is what? 36. Then we have 5 times 7, that's 35. So you can say that we have 36 times 35. Beautiful. So 36 times 35 will be the factors of 1,260. So now, in this case, we can write this as what? 6 raised by x minus 6 raised by y is equals to 36 into the bracket of 35 is the same thing as what? 36 minus 1. I hope you understand. Yes, that's the techniques there. So we can now write it in multiples of what? 6. So this will be what? 6 raised by x minus 6 raised by y is equals to 6 raised by 2 into 6 raised by 2. Now, for us to have a common base here, anything to the power of 0 is what? Is 1. So for us to have a common base, we can write this 1 as 6 raised by 0. So write 6 raised by what? 0. Beautiful. So that means that we can, expand this and have 6 raised by 2 multiplied by 6 raised by 2, then minus 6 raised by 2 multiplied by 6 raised by 0. Okay? I hope you understand that. We can do that. Okay? Now, having done that, so we can now have this as, we can have this. Let's write everything here. So we can now have what? 6 raised by x minus 6 raised by y is equal to, now, this is what? 6 raised by 2. According to the law of indices, when you are multiplying index numbers, you add their powers together. That's 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Beautiful. Minus, and then 2 plus 0 is 6 raised by what? 6 raised by 2. Okay? Now, that means the addition of this and this is 2. The addition of 2 and 2 is 4. So now, comparing what you have on both left and right-hand side of the equation, you will see that you have 6 raised by x minus 6 by y is equal to 6 raised by 4 minus 6 raised by 2, which implies that invariably this one on this left-hand side is bigger than the one on the right-hand side. So we can now say that 6 raised by x is equivalently what? Equals to 6 raised by 4, while 6 raised by y is equivalently equals to 6 raised by what? 2. So comparing the two exponents here, x will be equals to 4, and when you compare the two exponents here, y is equals to what? 2. So therefore, x equals to 4, y is equals to 2. That is the solution to the problem. I hope you understood this. So please don't forget to click on the notification bell each time I upload a video, be notified. And if you are a new subscriber, subscribe to this video channel and click like, share, and comment. God bless you. Bye.